निमगणनं जभै गडदश जबगडदश खपचड़त चटत कपै शसल हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः षष्ठोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः। वैष्णवी अस्ति वा? अनुदात्तस्य च यत्रोदात्तलोपः
अनुदात्तस्य च यत्रोदात्तलोपः अनुदात्तस्य च यत्रोदात्तलोपः
धातोः
धातोः धातोः
चितः
चितः चितः
तद्धितस्य
तद्धितस्य तद्धितस्य
कितः
कितः कितः
तिसृभ्यो जसः
तिसृभ्यो जसः तिसृभ्यो जसः
चतुरश्शसि
चतुरश्शसि चतुरश्शसि
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ
सावेक
ಇಳಿಯಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
सावेकाचस्तृतीयादिर्विभक्तिः श्रूयते वा वैष्णवी?
सावेकाचस्तृतीयादिर्विभक्तिः सावेकाचस्तृतीयादिर्विभक्तिः
अंतो अंतोदात्तादुत्तरपदात्
अन्तोदात्तादुत्तरपदात् अन्तोदात्तादुत्तरपदात्
अन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे
अन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे अन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे
अंचेश्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम्
अंचेश्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम् अंचेश्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम्
उडिदम् अस्तु उडिदं पदाद्यप दंपदाद्यप एक्चुअली उडिदं पदाद्यप इति भवति. सो उडिदं पदाद्यप
ऊडिदं पदाद्यप ऊडिदं पदाद्यप
पुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
पुम्रैद्युभ्यः
उडिदं पदाद्यप पुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
ऊडिदं पदाद्यप पुम्रैद्युभ्यः ऊडिदं पदाद्यप पुम्रैद्युभ्यः द्युभ्यः
अष्टनो दीर्घात् शतुरनुमो नद्यजाति उदात्तयणो हल पूर्वात् नों धातोः ह्रस्वनुभ्यां मतुप नामन्यतरस्यां न्यश्छन्दसि बहुलम् तदेव एकः संशयः आसीत्, न्याश्छन्दसि वा न्यश्छन्दसि वा इति. तत् न्याश्छन्दसि इत्यपि अस्ति, न्याः छन्दसि न्याः इत्येव अहं पठितवान्, परन्तु we will take it as न्याश्छन्दसि for now, but I will further look into the sutra and tell you. न्याश्छन्दसि बहुलम् षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः
षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः
झल्युपोत्तमम्
महोदय
झल्युपोत्तमम्
झल्युपोत्तमं झल्युपोत्तमं झल्युपोत्तमं
विभाषा भाषायाम्
विभाषा भाषायां विभाषा भाषायां
नगोष्वन्साववर्णराड् वदतु नगोष्वन्साववर्ण
नगोष्वन्साववर्ण
राडङ्कृभ्यः कृभ्यः
राडङ्कृभ्यः
दिवोझल्
दिवोझल् नृचान्यतरस्यां
तित्स्वरितम्
तित्स्वरितं
तास्यनुदात्तेत्
तास्यनुदात्तेत्
निददुपदेशात्
निददुपदेशात्
लसार्वधातुकम् श्रूयते वा लसार्वधातुकम्
आं सर श्रूयते भवतः ध्वनिः श्रूयते महोदय
लसार्वधातुकम्
हा अनुदात्तमहन्व श्रूयते वा
आं महोदय
आं सर भवतः ध्वनिः श्रूयते
वैष्णव्याः ध्वनिः एव न श्रूयते महोदय
एवं वा हा अन्ह्विङोः वैष्णवी इदानीं प्रयत्नं करोतु अन्ह्विङोः तद् पश्यतु उदात्तम् अन्ह्विङोः
उदात्तमन्ह्विङोः
पुनः वदामि तास्यनुदात्तेत् निददुपदेशात् लसार्वधातुकमनुदात्तम् अन्ह्विङोः
अन्ह्विङोः
आदिस्सिचोन्यतरस्याम्
आदिस्सिचोन्यतरस्यां
पुनः वदतु आदिस्सिचोन्यतरस्यां स्वपादिहिंसाम्
स्वपादिहिंसाम्
अच्यनिटि
वैष्णव्याः किमपि लाग् अस्ति इति मन्ये
स्वपादिहिंसामच्यनिति
अस्तु सूत्रद्वयमेव अस्ति पुनः पाठयामि अभ्यस्तानामादिः अनुदात्ते च सर्वस्य सुपि okay lag there is a lot of lag okay bhri bru
महोदय मम इंटरनेट कनेक्शन
सम्यक् नास्ति वा अस्तु चिन्ता नास्ति okay you can I will ask Kirtana is there
yeah
Kirtana you can take over Vaishnavi, you can mute yourself. Bhi, hri, br.
भी ह्री भृ भी ह्री भृ
Hu, madajana.
हुमदजन
Dhana.
धन धन
Daridra, jagaram.
दरिद्राजागराम
Pratyayat, purvam piti.
प्रत्ययात् पूर्वं पिति
Liti.
लिति
Adirnamulyanyatarasyam.
आदिर्नमूल्यन्यतरस्याम्
एक निमिषम् कुत्र गतम् अचः कर्तर्यकि
अचः कर्तर्यकि
थलि च सेटीडन्तो वा
थलि च सेटीडन्तो वा
निनित्यादिर्नित्यम्
नित्यादिर्नित्यम्
आमन्त्रितस्य च
आमन्त्रितस्य च
पथिमथोः सर्वनामस्थाने ओके
पथिमथोः सर्वनामस्थाने
अन्तश्च तवैयुगपत्
अन्तश्च तवैयुगपत्
क्षयो निवासे okay. This 160 to 200 whatever sutras you have studied, we will have to study again because we missed 2 classes. So okay, so I will again start now. Somebody else will chant or kirtana only can chant for today. Once again I will have to teach because we have to do minimum four practices, which is teacher teaching and student reciting. Minimum 4, 5 to definitely 5 we have to do, but 4 is to be done. This month we have done only first day we did 1. After that second and third day we didn't do. This is the second practice is done. So one more if we do, then we can do tomorrow. We can do 2 and close. Punaha aham vadami. अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः षष्ठोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः from here you can tell.
पाणिनीय सूत्रपाठे षष्ठाध्याये प्रथमः पादः
once is enough. अनुदात्तस्य च यत्रोदात्तलोपः
धातोः
चितः तद्धितस्य
हितः
तिसृभ्यो जसः चतुरश्शसि सावेका च तृतीयादिर्विभक्तिः अन्तोदात्तादुत्तरपदादन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे
अन्तादात्तादुत्तरपदादन्यतरस्यामनित्यं समासे अन्तोदात्तादुत्तरपदादन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे अन्तोदात्तादुत्तरपदादन्यतरस्यामनित्यसमासे
अञ्चेश्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम्
अञ्चेष्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम् अञ्चेष्छन्दस्य सर्वनामस्थानम्
ऊडिदं पदाद्यपुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
ऊडिदं पदाद्युप्पु मैदुभ्य
एकं कार्यं कुर्मः ऊडिदं पदाद्यप्
ऊडिदं पदाद्यप्
पुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
पुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
ऊडिदं पदाद्यपुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
ऊडिदं पदाद्यपुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः ऊडिदं पदाद्यपुम्रैर्द्युभ्यः
अष्टनो दीर्घात्
अष्टनो दीर्घात्
शतुरनुमो नद्यजाति
शतुरनुमो नद्यजाति
उदात्तयनो हल्पूर्वात्
उदात्तयनो हल्पूर्वात्
नोङ्धात्वोः
नोङ्धात्वोः
ह्रस्वनुभ्यां मतुप्
ह्रस्वनुड्भ्यां मतुप् नामन्यतरस्याम्
न्याश्छन्दसि बहुलम्
न्याश्छन्दसि बहुलम्
षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः
षट्त्रिचतुर्भ्यो हलादिः
झल्युपोत्तमम्
झल्युपोत्तमम्
विभाषा भाषायाम् नगोष्वन् साववर्णराडङ्कृभ्यः
नगोश्चन्
राडङ्कृभ्यः
कृद्भ्यः
नगोष्वन् I will again say नगोष्वन् साववर्णराडङ्कृभ्यः
नगोष्वन् साववर्णराडकृभ्यः नगोष्वन् साववर्णराडङ्कृभ्यः
उत्तमम् दिवोझल् न चान्यतरस्याम् तित्स्वरितम् तास्यनुदात्तेत् न श्रूयते कीर्तना भगिनी तास्यनुदात्तेत्
श्रूयते वा
इदानीं श्रूयते
तास्यनुदात्तेत्
निददुपदेशात् लसार्वधातुकम्
लसार्वधातुकमनुदात्तम्
एकनिमिषम् अन्विगोः
अन्हिङोः
Now we will try to tell it in two parts. Tomorrow we'll tell in the full part. Tasyanudatte tasyanudatte nidadupadeshalla sarvadhatukam
तास्यनुदात्ते ङिददुपदेशाल्लसार्वधातुकम् तास्यनुदात्ते ङिददुपदेशाल्लसार्वधातुकम्
anudattamanhvingoh
अनुदात्तमन्हिङोः
आदिस्सिचोन्यतरस्याम्
आदिस्सिचोन्यतरस्याम्
स्वपादिहिंसामच्यनिति
स्वपादिहिंसामच्यनिटे
अभ्यस्तनामादिः अभ्यस्तानम् उभय अभ्यस्त so अभ्यस्तानामादिः
अभ्यस्तानामादिः
अनुदात्ते
च
सर्वस्य सुपि बीह्रीभ्रूः मदजनधनदरिद्रा जागरां प्रत्ययात् पूर्वं पिति
भीह्रीबृहुमदजनधनदरिद्रा जागरं प्रत्ययात् पूर्वं पिति भीह्रीबृहुमदजनधनदरिद्रा जागरां प्रत्ययात् पूर्वं पिति
लिति आदिर्नमुल्यन्यतरस्याम् अचः कर्तर्यकि थलि च सेडीदन्तो
वा निनित्यादिर्नित्यम् आमन्त्रितस्य च
पथिमथो सर्वनामस्थाने अन्तश्च
तवैयुगपत्
क्षयो
निवासे
धन्यवादाः
Sloka 195. It is Achak Kartriyaki or Kartaryaki.
Kartriyaki.
195.
It's on the screen.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay.
Namaskar, sir.
Kartriyaki. It is Kartriyaki only.
Dhanyavada.
I have two questions. One 171 there's only one repa, right? Prior Jupya, not prior Jupya. 171.
171.
So here, Odi Dhambadadyaddu Mubrair Jupya, not Mubrair. When you were saying there is an additional repa on top of Ju, no, Mubrair Jupya.
Tumrair Jubhya. What did I say?
Mumrair Jubhya. Mumrair.
Tumrair Jubhya is what I did. then it is incorrect. Pumraidibhya.
Then the last 193. I think you might have said it. I want to make sure. Liti takara, not takara, right? Liticha.
Liti only we said. Kirtana said Liti. I corrected it as Liti.
I guess the sound is so confusing. T and T and so. But anyway, it's good. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad. For doubts, you can always refer to the audio.
महोदय मम अपि एका शङ्का अस्ति पृच्छामि वा
पृच्छतु भगिनि।
श्लोका नम्बर् 199 मध्ये पथि मथोः अनन्तरं सर्वनामस्थाने अस्ति सो मथोः सर्वनाम इति अपि वक्तुं शक्यते वा अथवा मथोः
मथोस् सकार अर्ध सकारः आगच्छति
सो विसर्गस्य शकार कर्तुं शक्यते वा इस् इट् अलौड्
कर्तुं शक्यते उच्चारणसमये अवश्यं पथिमथो सर्वनामस्थाने अलौड् इन् दिस् केस्
अत्र विसर्गस्य तत्त्वं भवति जी सकारः विसर्गस्थाने सकारः
इट् इस् अलौड् सुधा भगिनी
धन्यवादः
Only the Vibhakti describe Panna, it's easy to understand. That's why they split up.
Sir, it is called Visarga Sakara Sandhi.
Yes, sir. It is called Visarga Sakara. Anything else? From tomorrow, we will see if you have to do 2 times. If you do 2 times, it will be 2 + 2, 4 + 1, 5. We'll try to do. From tomorrow 3-4, if somebody is ready, we'll start 3-4 chanting. After 3-4, only 120 sutras are there. I think there are very less sutras, less than 20. So we will have to complete this in 1 month. For everybody, I'm telling, we won't keep the test after 2 months. So we will have to complete it in 1 month. So whoever is ready, please be very ready fast. Varun, Nanduri, Sneha, Kalyani, Vaishnavi, everybody, please by heart it faster. So we will have to do 3-4. Today is June 3rd. We will probably do on July 1st. July 1st or June 30th. So in next 30 days, we will have to do the 3-4th pada. Afterwards, we will decide whether we will have to do 4th adhyaya or 6th adhyaya. I will tell you. Probably we will go for 6th adhyaya because we are reading 6th adhyaya. 4 and 5 we can do later. We can come back later. We can go for 6. That is the thinking currently in my mind. But there may be others who have prepared for 4th adhyaya also. Let us see how we can do that. 6th adhyaya is something which is very, very important for everybody. Anga karya, sandhi karya, everything. So 6th adhyaya we can start memorizing and finish 6th adhyaya as and when we are learning, so that it remains fresh in the mind, and then come back to 4th adhyaya is one strategy which we can adopt, which we will decide on after some time.
Plus we are taking the Sandhi Prakaranam course, so it has some relevance to 6th adhyaya.
We have finished 3rd adhyaya, 3rd pada. Now 3rd adhyaya, 4th pada is remaining.
Yes, 3rd adhyaya, 4th pada, we will have to finish within 1 month. June 30th is the next test.
Yes.
June, yes. And for Parayana Kartas, you will always say yes because you have mastered the art of Parayana. I am worried about those people who are memorizing. I want to wait for them. Bhavati Siddha Sada Asti. Anyesham Krite Ye Chatra Kirtana Varun Sneha Pragun Vihan Ye Santi Tebhyaha api aham vaktum ichhami Tebhyaha api te api tan api neetva gantum ichhami Ataha tan idanimeva vada सूचयामि तत्र कृपया शीघ्रं कुर्वन्तु इति ते यदा आगच्छन्ति तदा पुनः वदामि. So 3-4 is not many. 180 sutras are not there. 117 only. Just like Prathamadhyaya Prathapada, 70 plus another 20 here and there. So we can quickly do that. And the sutras also I was seeing yesterday. It is not very difficult. So 3-4 can be easily done. June 30th will be the test for 3-4. Why I am announcing now itself? Because I want to stick to the date. And I request all the people who are by hearting, please do it faster. So Sumati is going to tell tomorrow. Meenakshi is already ready. The other people, please start. 20 sutras per day if you do. Actually, you can do it in 6 days, but Avarti, etc., etc., it will take 12 days. It can take double the time, but it should not take more than 12 days. I am giving you 30 days, close to 20, 25 days. So 20 sutras per day. Those who are by hearting 20 sutras per day, you can easily do. Sumati is going to tell tomorrow itself. She has declared already. You will see. Yanaksharasamam nayimatigam कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः राम राम the results of yesterday's test will be announced and put in the notice board before 1 week, that is next Friday. There are a lot of assessments going on in Vyoma, so tabulation etc. is going on, so all that will happen before 1 week. We are not in a hurry, we are going to be doing this course anyway, so let us wait for that. So before next Friday, I will ensure that it is uploaded. Dhanyavada.
Is there any immediate feedback, Mohoday, that you would like to give us unofficially?
Unofficially, sarvam officially, no feedback unofficially. Specific feedback has to be given for the specific person. So we have put that in the remarks column, so which you can see that. Because now you are all matured people, in the sense you have already done so much of Ashtadhyayi. Now I can't say Mahaprana is not proper. You will say I have chanted all Mahapranas properly. You didn't listen to me. That's why that's how you will say. So I can't give
Mohoday, we are still making mistakes. We are still making mistakes.
General points are not many. So straight away we have to go to the specific feedback for the specific person. That is how it has to be. Which if I am judging, I am directly giving at the end of the after you finish, I would have directly given the feedback to those people who have requested for feedback. So एतद् मम शैली वर्तते, अन्ये कथं कृतवन्तः इति न जानामि.
तदेव अस्ति. With all teachers are giving us immediate feedback.
That is better.
Generally, as a group, I hope we have improved a little bit at least.
Group krite uttamam asti. So the feedback general like that if you want. This is the best group I have ever met. Very, very.
Dhanyawada.
So everybody has significantly improved in their pronunciation or whatever it is. So that is the feedback I have for the group. But by the time we come to 8th Adhyaya and recite all the sutras, so I want to bring the best of the Vyakarana scholars for those kind of evaluations when the full Ashtadhyayi is to be chanted. So we are waiting for that day. I am personally waiting for that day. Even if 5 people do full Ashtadhyayi from this Vyoma course, we will all be happy. Full Kantastha. And out of this course, if 5 people come out successfully, I know that there will be at least 20 people coming out. But I am just hoping that because it is a long journey ahead, we will have to think. So there will be a lot of constraints from everybody's personal situations. So I don't know what will become the priority later. I'm talking about the memorization people.
We will also try our best, Mohoday. We will also try our best.
By that time, if the Parayana Kartas also can memorize slowly, it will be a wonder. Slowly. How much ever you can.
We'll try.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawada.
Again and again, I'm telling those who are going to study Vyakaranam and those who plan to study Vyakaranam in the detail, there is no other marga other than by hearting these sutras. That is for sure. You may tell that I am looking at the book and doing it, all those things, that is all secondary only. If you are going to study Vyakaranam and you are going to teach few people, Vyakarana Shastram, I am talking about Vyakarana Shastram, Paniniya Shastram, then Ashtadhyayi is a must. By hearting Ashtadhyayi is a basic requirement. So you may think that when I look at the book, I know the meaning, sir. I can tell the meaning of the sutra. I have studied. That is okay. That is secondary one. The primary is by hearting Ashtadhyayi and telling the meaning and understanding the meaning, and the anusandhanam. The anusandhanam has to happen in your brain. As soon as you see the word, you should realize, oh, this sutra is applicable here. This is the meaning of this sutra. That is the next stage. If you have to reach that level, the first level is to by heart the sutra. There is no other shortcut than for this. If you ask 100 times also, I will tell the same thing. Is it okay if I do 1 adhyaya, 2 adhyaya, whatever you say? No, it is not. So there is no compromise and there is no shortcut for this. If you want to study Vyakaranam in detail, I presume that all the children who are by hearting, in their long run, they will all study Vyakarana, which is why we are preparing them. Be it Varun, be it Kirtana or whatever, or Prahun, Vihan, all these people, most of them I know them personally. So they all will study, or they are planning to study Vyakaranam, which is why they are putting the effort. There are elders like me, seniors like Vaishnavi, this one, who are already studying Vyakarana in their Sumati, etc. They are already studying Vyakarana. They know the importance of this class. That is why you see Vaishnavi, Kalyani, and Sumati. They won't miss even a single class. Sumati will be in the library studying for her exam, but she will log in and she will switch on and she will be there. She knows the importance of this class and the avarti that is happening inside this class. Otherwise, she will forget the sutras, which is why even though she knows and she can learn it from other sources, she attends this class. So they are the people who are studying Vyakarana and in their college and full time as a Vyakarana student, and they are also learning. So they know the importance of this. Other people, of course, you are studying in Vyoma or some other places, you also know the importance of this. Pancharadam Sir, Sudha, they all study through Saumya. You are all studying other courses in Vyoma labs. So you also know the importance of this class and the sutras. Other people who are generally coming, who have just started in the journey of Sanskrit, you may feel that, okay, I am not going to study or something. You don't know whether you are going to study, but don't worry, this knowledge will not go waste. It will definitely help you. Yesterday, I will finish the class with one small anecdote. Yesterday we had the test. In our class, we have one Bhagini called Sushila Subramanian. Okay, Sushila Subramanian came from the hospital day before yesterday, and she told the doctor that I have Ashtadhyayi test yesterday, and she came from the hospital yesterday. And you know what happened? 5 o'clock she slept because she was under treatment and other things. In the home itself, she slept. 6:45, 6:50, I get a call from Ratnashri, her friend, and Sushila Bhagini at 7 o'clock. Sir, I forgot to attend the test. Because of the medicines I'm taking, I slept. I came from the hospital to give Ashtadhyayi test. Will you take the test for me? By the time we had closed the meeting, so I said, I will take the test for you. She was breathless. She was actually fighting. She was not able to breathe properly. She was struggling. But when she recited the sutras of Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, not even a single mistake. Not even a single mistake. She recited 25 sutras very clearly. And she says, Enala sutra solla mudila. I don't know whether I told properly, but I think I have told properly. She is attending here. She is attending the class today. Yesterday she was there. Sushila Bhagini. I will not ask her to switch on the video because she is definitely so she is attending the class today. Ratnashri also called me that she sent me a message that is the dedication which Sushila Bhagini has. So like this, all of you are having such dedication. So that itself motivates me to continue this class. Nothing else I can say. And she says, today my life is there to chant this Ashtadhyayi Sutra. That is what she told yesterday. I don't know whether she remembers what she told, but she was under medication, and in that stage, nobody in this world could have recited the sutras. except for her. That is the way she recited. Until today, I have never seen a student like her. Till today, I have met at least 4,000 students in my life, online, offline, everybody, who have very closely studied under me and whom I know personally. I have never seen such a dedication from any student like what Sushila did yesterday. Today morning, Vishesha Parayanam for her health, we all did at our home so that she can recover fast and she can be a part of our class daily with the same rigor and energy. That is, she lives in Delhi, Sushila Bhagini. Last 2 months back, she came to Bangalore. She came with her relatives too. She called me. She made sure she got the number from my support. She called me. And since the support did not give my number, she came to our office. And then she came to our house. And I was very pleased to meet her. And that is the dedication which she has. She is more knowledgeable in Bhagavatam, in other scriptures than me. But she had that courtesy. She had come for Bangalore for only 2 or 3 days, but she had that courtesy to come and meet me and pay her regards to my father. I told her my father and other parents that please come, and she paid regards to my father and other people in family, and then she went. That is a dedication with certain people have in this team. It is tremendous team. This is the group. Even though we are 30-35, we are a very strong group. Let us continue till the end, and we will take each other together, and we will learn Ashtadhyayi and create some difference to the world by teaching Ashtadhyayi to others. Thank you very much. I thought I don't know whether I had to share this, but I thought the dedication with which Sushila Bhagini told yesterday, I was astonished, and I could not. And one thing which I had to tell you was the miracle which occurred was she was unable to tell any other word. But when she recited Unadayo Bahulam to Akarthe Chakarke Sanyaya, she didn't make a single mistake. She didn't have any difficulty in breathing. That is how she recited. That is the miracle. And this is not a joke, I'm telling. Unfortunately, she made a WhatsApp call. I couldn't record. Otherwise, I would have recorded it and played it to all of you. Unfortunately, it was a WhatsApp call she made, and I didn't know if it was a normal call. I would have recorded it. We will all pray for Sushila Bhagini. We will all pray for your recovery, Sushila Bhagini. That is the reason why I told. Tell me, Sushila Bhagini. Ram Ram.
Thank you.
Pesungo.
Thank you. உயிர் பிடிச்சு
நீங்க வந்துருவேன், தாண்டி வந்துருவேன், கவலைப்படாதீங்க. We have done lot of prayers and parayanams today. நீங்க வந்துருவேன். We will all pray for her recovery.
Sir, we all pray for speedy recovery of Sushila Bhagini.
Yes. We will all pray for her. Ram Ram Ram. Ram Ram Ram, Mummy. Ram Ram Ram. येनाक्षर समाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् व्याकरणपाणिनये नमः। येन तौतागिरपुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। राम राम।